Good morning, everyone. It's Hey Jon. I jab opportunities nonstop. Today's June 3rd, 2021, and guess what? We're doing another market open today. And let's see how is AMC doing. AMC is gapping down, right? Why did it gap down? Because of other shares they offered. They're offering 11 million shares. Of course, when you offer that much, people aren't going to be too pleased about that because, you know, they're going to get a more diluted amount of mullahs. Okay, so let's see what is going down. Let's see. So what else do we see here? Dogecoin is also pulling back, currently at about 40 cents right here, right? Let's see, what's next? Okay, Bitcoin also pulling back, currently at 38,786. Hey, good morning, folks. Good morning, folks. How's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone's doing well today. I'm hoping. Hey, guys. Yeah, AMC is pulling back. It's currently at $52 right here. Currently at $52. I'm sorry, $53. Nope, $52.64. Guess what? AMC is pulling back hard. The reason why is because they offered about 11 million shares. 11 million shares, I believe, this morning. And AMC is saying, you know what, guys? We're offering you popcorn dividends, but at the same token, we're going to offer 11 million shares to dilute it so we can raise about $660 billion. So that popcorn is pretty expensive if you think about it. But overall, though, AMC is still doing phenomenal. AMC is still doing phenomenal. Let's see. Whoa, this is crazy. I mean, yeah, man, you know, I was telling you guys with AMC, you should be careful because GME, when they're making tons of money after their stocks, guess what? They also issue stock as well. And I said that a few days ago. And now they're raising money at your expense. Obviously, it's kind of bouncing now. Maybe this could be bullish news right here, right? But to me, usually when you issue up more stock, it's not usually when you issue up more stock, that isn't really bullish news. It usually isn't bullish news. So let's see. Hey guys, good morning. How's everyone doing? Nice, beautiful morning today. Yeah. That's right? Go back to Netflix. Netflix is definitely a lot cheaper than AMC, that's for sure. Okay, so currently AMC is rising now. Let's see, the previous close was around 62.54. Let's see if we can fill that gap. So I guess the bulls are saying, you know what, even though AMC is going to issue 11 million shares here, it may be a bullish thing here. So you know what, it could be a good thing for the company long term here, because when they raise money, they are able to become solvent, and when they're solvent, they're able to pick up and when they're solvent, they are able to pay off their debt. So this could be a good thing for Dogecoin. I'm sorry, for AMC. This could be a very good thing for AMC. But traditionally speaking, though, whenever you see more shares issued, it is usually a bad thing, not a good thing. Okay, AMC is still popping here. But I suspect the reason why it's popping is because of all of the buying pressure. As you know, AMC has been a news outlet for many, many days now. It is a highlight. Whoa. I am having a lovely day. I'm sharing with all you guys and gals this morning. It's gonna be great. So yeah, what do you guys think about the 11 million shares here? What do you guys think about the 11 million shares? Do you think it's a good thing, a bad thing, a whatever thing? Let me know in the chat. What do you think about that? Whether it's good or bad and why? Okay. So AMC got around to about $60.80 and it got rejected afterwards. I'm sorry, 62.29. The previous low was around 62.55, so we almost filled the gap. Okay. Dogecoin is now selling off as well. It's pulling back. So is Bitcoin. The GME also saw a gap down. Let's see. It was at yesterday it was around 282, and then it gapped down to about 263.01. So we're definitely seeing some gap downs here. So that's pretty interesting to see. Very interesting to see that. Okay. So you guys think that AMC issue on more stock is a good thing? Okay. All right. That's fair. That's interesting. That's interesting. But just remember though, the more shares they issue out, you know, the float increases. When the float increases, that means you have to buy that many more shares to push the price up there. So that's food for thought, folks. That's food for thought. Let's see here. What else do we see? Okay, so AMC is pulling like it's so AMC is still pulling back somewhere here, right? So Brian Walker says, I think it's good that they are taking advantage of the situation and using a retail traders to their benefit. If they continue to offer unique benefits to shareholders, it could set a new precedent. Okay, that's true. It could. It could. It could. But kind of similar to Dogecoin, right? The more and more shares you issue out, the harder it is to put your price up too. So just food for thought, folks. Let's see. Okay. So we're definitely seeing a different morning here. Yesterday for AMC here, right? It just went up in a nice trend up. Today we're seeing a gap down and then a little pop up, and now it's kind of coming down, and now it's kind of coming back down again. So today is truly a different day for AMC. Last night when I was live streaming, I was telling folks, you know what? It is time to take profits. I've been saying that for a long time now. And now you are down about $10 from where you were yesterday. I mean, that's okay though. Of course, I don't give financial advice. I purely share my opinion. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wow. What a day for Dogecoin. What a day for all these stocks. All the meme stocks are currently down. I always tell you guys, take profits. I always say to you guys, when you're in all-time highs right here, right? Take some profit off the table, 10%, whatever you feel comfortable with. Because you never know what will happen, right? I mean, obviously, everyone wants to buy and sell the top and buy the bottom, but you know what? It doesn't happen that way. And I suspect that as the AMC news circulates and percolates, some of the Robinhood holders, right? They won't be too pleased with that, and they may start selling because they think, oh my God, we're gonna see more and more dilution of my shares there, therefore decreasing the value of my shares. And oh my God, I have FUD now. Oh, I should sell my shares. I mean, that always happens. So I'm not sharing with you guys, whether or not you want to believe it or not, but it always happens though. Now, if they said, now if they said, you know what, now if they said we're gonna do a stock split or reverse split, that's a different story altogether, right? That's a different story. That'd be more bullish for the stock here. So when they say they're gonna issue more stock, usually that isn't a good thing. But you know, everyone has different opinions on what that means, so. Okay. Let's see here. The first dip of the day for AMC was 51.72, and now we're bringing it below 51.02, $50, 50.68. Holy cow. We're still pulling back 50.68. Oh my gosh, look at that. AMC is pulling back pretty hard. As you can tell, it is not very bullish now. I mean, I get it though. Wow, 50.68. So it's pulled back about $18 from the previous highs yesterday. $18. Holy moly. Let's see. Okay, 50.68, and it's kind of pausing now. GME's also dipping hard as well. It's currently at about let's see, 257. So all the meme stuff is breaking down here. AMC, GME, whatever right here, right? Hey, it's kind of strange. AMC stopped all of a sudden. I wonder why did AMC stop? Let me see. AMC, did AMC just hold trading? Let me see. Did AMC hold trading? I'm not too sure. Let me check. Let's see. AMC stock halted amid moonshot rally. Let's see. I forgot. Where do you go again? Let's see. Where do you go to see if stocks are halted? There you go. Let's see here. Okay. AMC holding 9:42 a.m. at June 3rd. Okay. It is halted. All right. Reason code M. What does that mean here? Let's see. Let's see here. Reason code M. Here we go. Reason code M. Volatility trading pause. Trading has been paused in exchange listed issue market code C. This means that, oh my gosh, this means that when we open up again, probably in 5 minutes, usually when you see stocks trade, when you see stocks being halted, it lasts for about 5 minutes here, right? And after 5 minutes, when it opens up, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a gap down again. Oh my gosh. Okay, folks. So give it 5 minutes. I believe when usually halts last about 5 to 10 minutes here. When it opens up, it's gonna gap down, almost guaranteed, because when they do this, the retail traders will panic because A, they have no idea what's going on, and B, they're gonna panic sell because they think something bad is happening. And most retail traders don't understand what a halt is. Holy cow, this is you know, ladies and gentlemen, I told you guys yesterday, the day I've been telling you guys for the past three days, I've been covering AMC in the mornings here. There is no shame in taking profits. I've been saying to you every single day, take 5% here, 10% there, right? Leave some in the pot, no problemo. But make sure you walk away with significant gains. Do not get caught up in the FOMO and other YouTubers saying, hey, we're going to $1 million, we're going 100K, we're going $100 and blah, blah, blah. But you know, again, I'm not trying to spread FUD or anything. I'm just saying that most prudent traders take their profits here and there. They sell into strength. They buy into weakness. That is what a pro trader does. A gambler holds on forever, right? And they want it to go up to the moon forever. So let's see though. Let's see what can happen though, right? Can the other YouTubers with more subscribers and more watchers, can they pump up Dogecoin, right? Can they pump up Dogecoin, and can they push up Dogecoin by getting their followers and subscribers to buy more? But I suspect though, it'll be hard to do. This is going to be very interesting here. Let's see here. The pause. Let's see. Let's see. Resumption quote time. Usually about 5 minutes here. So 9:47. So maybe in the next minute and like a few seconds here. Okay. Okay. Maybe about 42 seconds. We'll see. We will see it resume in 42 seconds. So I'm pretty sure when that happens, we're going to see a gap down, folks. Okay, we have about we have 12 more seconds left before you see a gap down. Huh? Oh, is it 5 minutes? How interesting. Okay. It seems like they're holding AMC for longer than 5 minutes. Okay, that's interesting. Usually it's only 5 minutes though. All right, I wonder why. Here we go. 9:47:42. Okay, it's resumed. See? Check it out. See, it resumed here, right? When it resumed, it gapped down. What did I say, folks? I've been in the market for a very long time. I've seen this happen many, many times, and now we're gapping down from the market pause. From 50.40 to about 48.69. Holy moly. Holy moly. I bet you the other YouTubers right now who are streaming AMC, I bet you the other folks at AMC right now, right? I'm sorry, I bet you the other YouTubers currently in AMC, right? Where you have hundreds of thousands of followers, I bet you they cannot get their people to buy AMC right now, because when you see a halt, the retail traders will get scared. When they get scared, they will panic sell. And you're seeing a panic sell right now. Look at that. It is heading towards the support at around 41.17. Let's see if it can bounce off that. Let's see if it can bounce off that. See, Dogecoin's a little low. GME is also breaking down as well. GME also broke down below the 253.31 support. Oh, I think AMC halted again because it paused. Let me see. It halted again, right? Yep. See, look at. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how they get you every single time. Look at, you're seeing another halt. About a minute into trading here, another halt. So I guarantee you that after 5 minutes here, you will see another gap down. Holy cow. They are inciting pure fear on the retail traders. Oh, man. I'm telling you guys, man, you know, I'm telling you guys, man, this is how they get you every single time. because they know retail traders have a weak psyche, and the majority of retail traders are weak. No offense to anyone, including myself here. I am also a retail trader, but guess what? I have a mental six-pack. I'm used to these kind of things. But for the majority of retail traders, they have a weak psyche and they have a sheep mentality. They follow the herd. When they see a YouTuber say, oh, we're going to 100K or we're going to $100, they believe it and they fumble into the trade. But when you come to my channel, I give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I don't lie to you guys. But other YouTubers, they will lie to you. They will give you exorbitant numbers, and they will give you emotional trades. And they will play your emotions to get views and subscribers and likes. And then they will sink your accounts by doing that. But you know, it works though, because they keep on doing it and it keeps on working for them. So I mean, again, I'm not trying to incite fear, uncertainty, or doubt. I'm just telling you guys the truth. And you've been watching me this morning open here, right? I said, hey, you know what? We saw a halt, and almost guaranteed you're gonna see a breakdown from the halt, a gap down. And guess what? When it resumed at 5 minutes, it gapped down. When you see this other halt here, right? In 5 more minutes from now, you're gonna see another gap down, and then the fear will finally happen, and you'll see more panic selling down when it happens. I bet you right now in 5 minutes here, everyone and their mother is on Robinhood or whatever is here, and they are issuing out market sales right now. When you put in market sale, that means you're gonna get any price you can get. You don't care what it is. So I can assure you right now, the other YouTubers with more viewers than me right now watching it live, they cannot calm their viewers down right now. I bet you they're all freaking out, and you're saying, "Hey, bro, it's all your fault. Why don't you tell us about this? You know, what should we do?" And he will most likely say, "Hodl or hold." And I'm gonna say, bro, you are crazy. You are crazy if you're gonna believe that guy. But hey, you know what? You can do whatever you want, though, right? I've been telling you guys to sell for the past 3 days. I've been covering AMC. I've always told you guys, sell into strength and buy into weakness. There is no mystery there. I've always said the same thing. And then I'm gonna get, and then in a few days from now, I'm gonna hear folks come in here and say, hey, John, you didn't tell us to sell. I'm like, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay, so let's see. All right, folks, give me a quick second, folks. Give me a quick second. I need some water. Okay, folks, I'm back. Just need a little bit of water. Let's see here. Okay. Check it out. 9:49, 11. So we have about a minute. We have about a minute left here. When how is removed, trade or sell? It's up to you, buddy. Up to you. Whether or not you want to trade or sell. But I've been selling to you guys. I've been telling you guys many, many times. You sell into strength and you buy into weakness. If you believe in the stock or cryptocurrency or whatever's. All right, we have about 21 seconds left, but 21 seconds left to see what happens here. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna see another gap down, and you're gonna see even more selling, and then you're gonna see another halt, and similar pattern will happen. Let's see though. Let's see here. Let's see here. So 11 seconds here. Okay. All right. Trading is resuming now. Let's see here. Okay, we're seeing resuming trading here. Let me see. They're resuming it. Okay, it's resuming. 9:54:13. Okay, let's see where it goes. Okay, we saw a whatchamacallit, a pullback and now a gap now. Okay, Donald. Okay, Donald, I don't think you hear what I say. I say sell to strength, all right? I don't say sell your whole position. I'm saying sell like 10%, 5%, whatever you feel comfortable with, all right? Oh my God, you guys need to clean out your ears and pay attention when I talk, man. Always misconstruing what I say all the time, all right? Jeez Louise. I always say sell to strength, and I say sell 5%, 10%, whatever you are comfortable with, okay? I never say sell your whole position. If you want to, go ahead. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're seeing another halt right now. Let's see. Yep, okay, folks, we're seeing another halt. At 9:54:51, about 34 cents, and you're seeing another halt. I'm telling you, folks, all these halts here are gonna shock the heck out of the retail traders, and they are going to get bored, and they are going to get very, very frustrated. Let's see here. Okay. Oh man, this is pretty cool though, right? We're seeing all these halts here. So if you guys are new to this, you're definitely getting a shock for sure. Hopefully you guys are taking profits though. I've been saying it for some time, so holy moly. Is this legal for them to do? Absolutely. This is absolutely legal. They do this. The SEC does this. Well, I won't say the SEC, but the reason why they put halts onto it, right, is to decrease the psychological emotionals, right? To decrease the psychological emotions, you know? But as you know, when they do a halt, most folks who aren't knowledgeable about trading, they panic, right? So it actually does the opposite of calming traders though. But if you're like me and you've been around for a while, you know what happens here and you know how to react. And usually when you see halts, you're gonna see a gap down. All right. The reason why you're gonna see a gap down today is because you're seeing AMC is offering out 11 million shares. When they do that, they're gonna start creating fear here. And guess what? This is the perfect storm to pull the price back here. And I understand a lot of folks here coming in are gonna get mad at me because I am saying the truth and they don't want to hear that. All they want to hear is AMC is going to the moon, you know? And that's okay. You come here for the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm not here to lie to you guys, you know? Let's see. Okay, in 5 minutes here, so 9:50, 9:51. So we're seeing about another 2 minutes here, and we will see the halt resume again. So the previous halt, we saw a nice bump up right there, right? I'm pretty sure other YouTubers are saying, you know what, buy a dip, bro, buy a dip. It's okay, it's okay. And then this time here, you may see it go up again. So yeah, man. You know, so you know, now we're seeing lots of halts here. So these other YouTubers, they're gonna have time to say, hey guys, buy a dip for AMC, buy a dip, man. Don't give it to the man, you know, the man's trying to get you. The man isn't trying to get you. I think that's all, in my opinion, that is all hocus pocus. But we do see all the time though, right? We do see stocks get halted for volatility all the dang time. So but other YouTubers will play into your emotions and hype it up and sensationalize it for you guys. Okay, here, set 51. So we have about 31 seconds here left. 31 seconds here before we see a resumption of trading here. Let's see if we gap down or gap up. I suspect we may gap down though. Because folks were trying to buy a dip and now they're probably scared and they want to cancel the orders, but they probably can't though. So now it opens, you might see another gap up and then a pullback now. Man, it's gonna be a rocky day today for the AMC holders, man. You are definitely going to need your mental six-pack for this one here. Let's see, is trading resuming yet? Let's see. Nope. Oh, here we go. Trading is resuming now. Let's see here. Okay, where are we at here? I don't see. Okay. See, so you saw a gap up a little bit now, right? You saw a gap up. Now it's kind of pulling back now. Let's see here. Wait, did it pause again? Did it halt again? Let me see. I think it halted again. Wait. Hold up. I think it halted again. No, it didn't halt again. Okay. Okay, here you go. Okay. So now it kind of gapped up and it's soft a little bit, and now it's kind of pushing up again. Okay. Let's see here. So we're currently at 489.81 here. You're seeing extreme volatility right now. You're seeing lots of volatility. Let me see. Did it pause again? I can't even tell it's not even moving anymore. Oh, it's moving. Okay, it's very slow though. Let's see. Okay, no more halts. We're actually trading now. We're actually trading right now. No more halts. All right. We're seeing a little bit of a sell-off here. Let's see here. A Dogecoin and Bitcoin are both bouncing here. Let's see. Okay. We're starting. All right, AMC is starting to rise again. Okay, so it seems like the other YouTubers were able to convince them to buy the dip, I guess. At around 41.17, I was telling you guys that is a support zone, and now it's busting off of 41.17, and now we're seeing a pullback now. Okay. It's definitely going to be an interesting day for AMC, you know. Lots of halting when that happens. You're gonna see lots of shock to the you're gonna see lots of shock to the psyche of the retail trader here, and you're gonna see lots of panicking here. So that means that they will not make sane decisions. So today you're gonna see increased amounts of volatility. Yesterday was just the volatility. Yesterday's volatility was to the upside. Today you're seeing it to the downside. Oh, I think it halted again. Let me see. I think it halted again. Let's see. No, did it halt? All right, then why is it pausing then? Very interesting to see. We're seeing lots of AMC issues right now. You're seeing it kind of stuck and it kind of moves around, so it looks like it's halted, but it's not though. Wow, this is pretty amazing here. Okay, Dogecoin is rising. Okay, Bitcoin at 48.75, Bitcoin at 38.571 is still rising. Very good. Chase, I'm doing great. How are you, bro? I'm doing fantastic. What's up? Let's see. AMC is currently at about $48.92, $49 here. Okay. GME is also bouncing as well, currently at 258. AMC's at $100. Sure, why not? Yeah, right. Sure, why not? Everyone is saying the short squeeze hasn't happened yet. I would say it has happened, but you know, everyone can have different opinions. Okay. AMC is rising now, but the volatility has decreased a lot here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 49.65 for AMC currently. Man, it's not really moving much anymore. It's kind of pausing now. We're seeing lots of hesitation for AMC. Let's see, 49.65. It's stuck there. I wonder if it halted again. Let me see. Did it halt? Nope, it didn't halt though. Okay. Oh, okay. We saw another gap now. Okay. So it looks like AMC, we're seeing lots of orders here come in, you know? So when AMC see lots of orders here coming in, you know, either market buys, limit sells, whatever is here, that means that servers are getting a little bit overwhelmed here, and they aren't able to process the orders live. Let's see here. Okay, AMC is still bouncing. Okay, but the bounce is very small though, as you can tell. It's very, very small bounces here. From a chart perspective here, right, it looks like it may come down from a chart perspective because it's kind of forming a hill. And usually I say hills aren't bullish, but with AMC, it is definitely a meme stock, and there is no rhyme or reason for this stock. People are going to come in and buy it just because they like it, so. All right, GME is popping. AMC is also increasing slowly but surely. Let's see, Bitcoin is also going up here, so this could be a sign that AMC is out of the woods and they want to continue their rise now. All right, let's see here. At around 52.78 is going to be a resistance, okay? Let's see if we can break 52.78. If we can break that, that means AMC could have some hope. Let's see, currently AMC at 51.89. Okay. Did it halt again? I wonder. Let me see if it halted. Either that or there are tons of orders coming in and AMC is trying to, well, I guess the market makers are trying to allocate the orders here and there where it goes to. Let me see if it halted or not. I'm not too sure. Nope, it didn't halt though. So AMC didn't halt, but they're seeing a lot of orders come in here, and now they're sorting it out because there's too many coming at the same time. Okay, so AMC gapped down a little bit. So we're seeing lots of jumpiness in AMC, and we're seeing lots of jumpiness in the AMC charts here. It's going here, going there, going here, going there, because they're getting lots of because they're getting lots of order flows right now, and there's too much for it to process immediately. So they're kind of just, you know, taking a few seconds here to kind of process it. That's kind of why the minute chart is looking so choppy, and you're seeing pauses because they're processing a ton of orders right now. Okay, let's see, current 50 bucks here. Okay. All right, like I said, I'm seeing a hill here. Usually when you see hills, it's bearish, but we gotta wait and see. All right, let's see, on the AMC chart here, we're currently in a downtrend. Let me see. Right, we're currently in a downtrend here. Let's see if we can break a downtrend and start a new rising uptrend here. Hopefully we can, but no guarantees, right? This is a meme stock and extremely volatile, so definitely things to watch though. Yeah. Yep, Dogecoin will be on Coinbase Pro today, that's for sure. What's going to happen? Well, we saw with Bitcoin, when that happened, they sold off. So Dogecoin could see a similar phenomenon, right? Who knows? Let's see. Usually for Coinbase Pro, they get it first. That's all. They get it first, and then so Coinbase Pro gets it first, and then it trickles down to Coinbase. 5108 for AMC for some time here. I wonder, did it hold again? Or are there a lot of trades coming in and they'll not process it? Huh. Okay. You saw right here, right? We saw like 3 or 4 candlesticks just kind of move up and down right now on WEBULL. So it's very interesting to see here. Very interesting to see. So we're seeing pauses here for maybe a minute or two now before they get processed. That is definitely interesting. Okay. AMC is moving up now. Okay, it looks like the bulls are buying it now. That's interesting. Yep, 53.83 here. So now we're seeing some more freeness here in terms of no more halts here. So the bulls are kind of waking up, and then you know what? I'm gonna buy some now. Okay, that's good. That's good. So it looks like some of the tricks aren't working on the bulls. Usually these tricks, when they happen over and over and over, the gaps down goes lower and lower and lower each time here. But it seems like maybe the other YouTubers, maybe the other YouTubers with more audience are able to calm their audience, saying, you know what, diamond hands, simps, diamond hands, and let's go to the moon, baby. You know, they're probably doing something. They are probably doing something like that to keep their audience in check. But as you know, with social media and YouTube, live streaming and Twitch here, right, for stocks and stuff, you were able to see this information live in real time. So that's probably why you're seeing this kind of gap move up instead of keep on continuing going down here. Back in the olden days here, when you saw this kind of stuff happen, everyone panicked and you kept on seeing gap downs over and over and over. Okay. I think AMC is also is stuck again at 54.30. I see it being stuck there, so that means a lot of orders must be flowing in, and the market makers are trying to and now the market makers are doing order flow process right now to try to allocate where it's going. Okay. GME and AMC are both stuck right now. How interesting. I wonder why. Bitcoin and Doge is also stuck as well. Huh. Very interesting here. I wonder if Webull is just getting too many orders now for AMC and now they're kind of stuck. Yeah, well, everyone always hates on the platforms here, but I think today Webull is having issues with processing all the data, and now we're seeing the charts kind of freeze up a little bit. Yep, Webull is definitely chopping right now. That's okay, it happens. Let me refresh the page real quick and see what happens here. Okay, Webull is reprocessing data here. All right, it's currently at 56.92 here. Okay, that's good. All right, and it's stuck again. Webull is sucking hard today. You know what? Let me go into my TradingView account. Let's do AMC. Let's see if it's still let's see if it's stuck here as well. Oh, okay, it's a little more live here, all right? Okay, TradingView is a little more live. Okay, then I'll use TradingView for now then. That's cool. Let's see, currently at 56.18 here. That's pretty cool. So we're seeing a nice little pop-up here. Okay. Now we're seeing the Agora reaction ribbon here around 57.28. That's going to be a resistance point there. If the bulls can break that and go up, then yeah, we can continue a new bull run. But if not, if we get rejected, that means we'll come back down to support. So let's see what happens. Okay, we are getting rejected off the Agora reaction ribbon here. Okay, all right, we'll come back down. So again, AMC is showing weakness here. So let me draw the trend again, the trend line. Okay, so this is the downward trend line, all right? The pink line here. Let's see. Okay, so we're still seeing a pullback. All right, you're seeing this pink line here going down here. We're in a pink downward trend for today, right? Until the bulls can break through that, that means the trend will continue down here. So I suspect throughout the day, if this continues, that means the bulls might get bored of this, and they may start liquidating their positions. And when they do that, they will further push the price down. So so if you're an AMC, you better hope. If you're an AMC, you better hope that. So if you are an AMC currently, you better hope the other YouTubers with more views than me can sucker their audience into buying more AMC. That's what I gotta say about that one for sure. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Dip buying opportunities. Absolutely. If you want to buy it, go for it, right? Go for it. William Hernandez. Hey, John, I'm at work. I have a 10-minute break. What do you think will happen at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when it lists on Coinbase Pro. I think for Dogecoin when it lists, it may drop, it may pull back some, because when we saw Bitcoin um get listed on Coinbase, it also pulled back as well. So it could happen the same way. Of course, William, there's no guarantees here, right? This time could be different, right? Who knows? But using Bitcoin as a back test, so we can kind of use that data to apply to Dogecoin, right? That's kind of how I came to that conclusion. It wasn't a coin toss. I actually used data to kind of figure it out. All right, AMC still pulling back. Let's see if WEBULL is back in business. Okay, WEBULL is back in business now, sort of. Okay, WEBULL is live again. So let's go with WEBULL here, so you can see 4 stocks instead of 1. All right. Wait, well, here you go. Okay. So now we're seeing a pullback. And now we're seeing a hill action here, right? I told you guys, when you see hills, usually the bearish sign here. So I suspect AMC is going to do a further pullback. Dogecoin is selling off pretty strong here. Let's see, it'll bounce off of 39.85. Okay. Okay. AMC finally has a green candlestick. Let's see if the bulls can push it up though. But currently from the chart perspective, I'm seeing a hill, and hills are normally bearish. GME is also rising as well. Bitcoin is seeing a nice pullback around to about 38,416. Okay, Dogecoin is still pulling back, all right, to around 39.85. Let's see if it'll bounce off there. Okay. GME and AMC are both bouncing while cryptocurrency is pulling back. So that's interesting. Yep. Okay, well, AMC did break out of that downward channel. Well, I'm sorry, that downward trend line. So this could be a bullish thing for them here, right? And now I'm seeing a type of little U here. So usually U's are bearish. So how fast these charts change? How fast these charts change, you know? The winds change so fast nowadays. Okay. And now it's looking bullish now. Dogecoin is still showing more weakness than Bitcoin currently. Whoa, Dogecoin is selling off and it's going through the resistance at around 39 cents. Well, about 40 cents right there. All right, AMC is trying to rise up here. All right, I'm seeing a nice little U. That's good. That's good. It looks like they are invalidating the hill formation. So now we're kind of going back up. That's good. All right, very good. All right, AMC is showing a little bit of resistance around a 57.21. All right, 57.21 is looking like a little resistance for AMC. Okay, Dogecoin is bouncing off the 39 of let's see here. Dogecoin is bouncing off of 39.87 here, about 40 cents there, right? It kind of broke through it, and now it looks like it wants to come back up. But let's see if Dogecoin will become a support, or will it become a resistance again? Definitely need to watch it though. Okay. Well, I always tell you guys, if you want, David here is asking, hey, what's a good entry point, right? A good entry point is usually at a support or resistance. So, yeah, I will do that. Nope. I am not in GME or AMC because I believe in neither, and I don't want to put my money into either. So, I don't buy stocks unless I believe in it, and I don't care if they have Wall Street bets behind them. If I don't believe in it, I will not buy it, period. I don't FOMO to trades. I am more than happy to skip a trade and miss on profits. No problem here. I always tell you guys the most important thing in trading is capital preservation. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. And now AMC is trading. Now AMC is trading sideways a little bit. Now we're trading sideways for a little bit. Interesting. Let's see here. David says, was this a buy the news and sell the hype scenario with Doge and Coinbase? Well, possibly, because usually for Coinbase, whenever there is a coin, it pops up and it sinks down even harder. So that has been a trend. That trend may continue for Dogecoin as well. Well, at least that is a historical perspective right there. There's no guarantee here, right? But as they say, history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure rhymes. Doge is a different breed? Sure. I do believe Dogecoin is a different breed, though. There's always a ton of people come in, speculators who come in for a day trade, but I believe Dogecoin is the way to go for the long term. That's kind of why I never sold anything. I only buy. And plus, Dogecoin has such a loyal following, so I don't think they could ever really go away. All right. Huh. All right, let's see what TradingView doing here. I mean, it's more live here. Okay, TradingView is a little more live. Oh, the same thing, actually. It is super slow. All right. So we're seeing a little lull here. Usually when you see a lull, that's usually a sign of bearishness, right? The little U happened, and now I'm seeing the hill formation resume. So this means AMC will probably move down. It'll probably test, what was it again? It'll probably test 41.17 sooner rather than later. Okay, Dogecoin is bouncing out of support around 39.85, but it's still showing some weakness though. So, oh man, it's one of those days. What day is today? Today is what? Today is Thursday. Okay, we're heading into the weekend already. Oh, I forgot. It's a short. I forgot it's a short week because of Memorial Day. I forgot about that. Okay. You know what? Let me go on TradingView instead. Let me go on TradingView instead here. So again, it's a little more live than WEBULL. WEBULL is kind of bugging out right now because I'm pretty sure WEBULL has too many orders coming in, so they kind of process the data and give the charts a time here. So again, this is what I currently see on AMC. I'm seeing a hill, and it's probably going to the downside, unfortunately. We saw the downward trend here, and it got, and it hit resistance right there, and it got rejected off of it. So Vic says, I bought a dip, went all in at 47.10, was 9K, and made close to 2K already. AMC, I ditched my Dogecoins. That's cool. That's cool. Just be careful, though. Just be careful. Going all in is a very scary proposition. Going all in is very scary, and it's very, very risky, okay? Usually for these kind of trades here, you shouldn't put more than 1% of your portfolio into the thing here. But everyone's different, you know? Everyone's different here. It doesn't matter if you guys sell your Dogecoin or not. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. All I'm saying is that you should never go all in into a trade. But we do have a yellow generation where they want to make easy money and very quick. So that's okay, Vic. Good for you, bro. I'm happy that you're making money too, man. That's awesome to hear. That's very awesome to hear, man. Well, all I'm saying is just be careful, you know? Going all in has inherent risk. Okay, so the bullish thing here, the bullish thing for AMC is that we're currently seeing a possible new uptrend starting here, right? So this could be a good thing here. So Dogecoin could possibly bounce from here and go on up, though. No guarantees, of course, but this could possibly be the beginnings of a new uptrend here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it was very fun. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and notify. And I'll be doing another live stream later today on all of these stocks and cryptocurrencies. So make sure you subscribe and notify, and I will catch you all on the next one.